To add a user, you must be logged in as the customer. This is the main profile for the computer. Log in with your 6-digit profile code. You will know you are logged in when the Parameters tab appears at the top of the screen. Go to the Systems tab and in the bottom left, select Users. Once here, click the Add button to add the profile you desire. Choose the username and 6-digit user code that will be unique to that profile. Then click Save. To verify that this new profile and code are working, go to the Users tab and log out from the customer profile. You will notice the Parameters tab goes away. Now select the profile you created and enter the 6-digit code to verify that it is functioning. Again, the Parameters tab is back. Congratulations! You have now created a profile in ESM2.